Collective noun. A collective noun is a noun which describes a group of things or people as a unit. Example: a heap of grass, a heap of money. Collective noun. What is noun? Noun means name of a person, place, or thing. Name of a person, place, or things. Naming words are known as noun. So, collective noun means a group of things together is known as collective. A group of things, it can be a group of animals, it can be a group of things, it can be a group of people, it can be a group of anything, but there is one particular name for that group. So that group name is called collective, and name means noun. So when you call something as a group, we call it as collective noun. For example, we have one book. If there are many books, then we say a pile of books. If it is one book, we say a book or one book. If there are more than one book, like 5 books or 10 books, then we call it as a pile of books. Okay, then there is one flower. There is one flower. If there are more than one flower, maybe 10 flowers or 20 flowers together, then we call it as a bunch of flower. A bunch of flower. For example, one flower means one single flower, like rose, jasmine, lily, or marigold, like that. One single flower. One flower. Okay, that is called noun. But if you take a bouquet, inside the bouquet there are many flowers, so we say a bunch of flower. In the same way, there are examples here: chicken, singers, cattle, bird, sheep, puppy, monkey, whale, sailor, lion, beast, wolf. Okay, so these are names of animals, birds, and people. But some names are singular. For example, chicken, sheep, monkey, they are singular. And some names are plural. For example, singers, birds, puppies, whales, sailors, lion, beast, wolf, they are all plural. Okay, so when we use collective noun for them, that is to refer to more than one chicken. For example, if there is only one chicken, we say chicken. But when there are many chicken, then what you look at the example: a brood of chicken, a brood of chicken, or a flock of sheep, a flock of sheep. A flock of sheep means there are many sheep. There are many sheep. If there is only one sheep, we say a sheep. But if there are many sheep, then we say a flock of sheep. Okay. Then a puppy. A puppy. The baby of dog is known as a puppy. But when there are many puppies, then we say a litter of puppies. Then we use a litter of puppies. So a flock of chicken, A litter of puppies. A flock means example of collective noun. Litter means another example of collective noun. Flock and litter, they both are naming words for a group. They both are naming words for a group. So here look at this example. A heap of grass. A heap of money. Grass means plant. Okay, grass means plant. If there are many grass, then we say a heap of grass. Then here second example, a heap of money. Money means it can be 1 rupee or 2 rupees or 10 rupees or 100 rupees. But when there are many numbers of money or huge amount of money together, then we call it a heap of money. Understood? So lion, here another example. Lion. Lion means a single animal. Lion means a single animal. Singular is lion and plural is lions. Okay. When we say one lion, then we say a lion or one lion. But if there are more lions, then to make it into one group, that time we use a pride of lion. When we say a pride of lion, pride means a group name for many lions. A group name for many lions. For example, there is in a class grade 3, for example, or grade 4, for example, there are 20 students. Okay, there are 20 students. So in a class there are 20 students. That means in a class, what is the meaning of class? Class means a classroom. Okay, a classroom. In that classroom, that means only one classroom. Okay, in that one class there are many students. Understood? So class is singular and students is plural. But when we say class 4, that means that is collective name for group of students studying in class 4. Understood? A group of students studying in class 4. So class means the naming word for a group of students studying in class 3 or 4 or 5, anything. Understood? So student means only one student. But class means inside that class there are many students. So a class of students. Understood? So you have to write the correct collective nouns along with the nouns. Okay, the flock, crew, litter, choir, school, flock, troop, brood, pack, swarm, pride, herd. All these are examples of collective noun. Understood? Flock, crew, litter, choir, school, flock, troop, brood, pack, swarm, pride, herd. These are collective nouns. So, a heap of grass. In this example, heap is collective noun. Grass is noun. A heap of money. In this, heap is collective noun and money is noun. In the same way, a brood of chicken. A brood of chicken. Brood is collective noun and chicken is noun. Understood? Once again, collective noun means a name given to a group of something, some animal, or some people in a group. Understood? Thank you.